I stepped back from doing lip injection and it's honestly changed my life and my business, and it's one of the best decisions I've made.
So you don't need a content strategy, but if you're ready to grow your
Hey, I'm Melanie, and I've been a nurse since 2014. I got into the beauty business in 2017, selling hair bundles, making custom wigs. And in that time, I was first introduced to digital products, and I had dabbled in mentoring other beauty pros who wanted to grow their business. And when I moved to Houston, that's when I stepped away from selling wigs and hair bundles. And at that time, I didn't know what I would be doing next. I was kind of stuck, and I came across permanent makeup, and I had signed up to take a lip blushing course, but at that time, it was COVID, and the girl, she had canceled because she didn't feel good. So in the meantime, I was scrolling on Instagram and I came across needleless lip injections with a hyaluron pen. So I became a lip injector, and I started getting to the digital product space, and that's where most of my success has came from, was creating online courses for other lip injectors who are looking to scale by perfecting their technique. And now I'm a full-time mentor helping other beauty pros go from feeling stuck to gaining clarity and showing up online with confidence, building systems that create freedom so you're not always feeling like you're in hustle mode or you feel like you have to chase clients or chase a sale every day. And when I became a hyaluron pen artist doing lip fillers, a lot of us was misinformed with people telling us you don't need a license, you can just do it because there's no needle being involved. And honestly, that's just not 100% correct. In Texas, there's more to it than having an MD over you. It just created a lot of risk. So I was like, this is the time where I'm going to fully step into the mentor space, help other beauty pros who want freedom, whether that's creating systems that will work without them having to show up 24/7, or getting into the online space with digital products. Another time where I realized I really wanted to go all in the online space and not really feel like I have to take clients and be booked and busy. There was a storm in Texas and all the lights were out for a very long amount of time. I remember me and my family, we had to go to Austin just to get a room. No, San Antonio. We went to San Antonio just so we can book a hotel room because all of the hotel rooms were booked here. And my suite, I couldn't take clients at the time. And if it wasn't for my online courses that I had created, I honestly wouldn't have made any money at all. So I'm so thankful for that. That opened up my eyes to the possibilities of just being 100% online. That's where I'm at right now in my business. And since I'm pivoting, it's kind of like me starting over because I built my page and I built my business off services. It's okay. I'm coming from a place of building with intention and not feeling like I had to make money right now. I had to get a sale today. Oh my God, I have to do this. So I'm stepping out of survival mode. I'm stepping out of hustle mode. And I am aligning with my purpose, because when I was in the hair business and I was getting other beauty pros to book calls with me in exchange for them to leave me reviews so that I can promote my mentorship business back then, I knew that was my passion. Here I am doing it again, but on a bigger level. This page is not only going to be for lip injectors, it's going to be for other beauty pros, whether you're a nail artist, a lash artist, maybe you work a 9 to 5 and you know that you want more, but you feel kind of stuck, or you feel like you need clarity, guidance to get you to that next level. Maybe you don't want to be behind a chair every day. Let's say you're full time, you're booked and busy with lashes, but you don't even really want to do lashes no more. That's the thing. Just because you start servicing clients and you're booked and busy, or because that was your goal last year, it's okay to have a new passion. The thing is, are you going to execute that passion? Because don't, then you're going to feel stuck and you're not going to be fully fulfilled in your life. I told myself it's time to go all in. I've been telling myself since the beginning of the year, I'm going to be a full-time content creator. I'm going to grow my YouTube channel. And I'm like, it's time to quit playing games because no one is going to come and save you. The thing is, you have to have goals put in place so that you can slowly work towards the biggest goal. And I know a lot of the times as beautypreneurs, we have so many ideas on our mind. I know for me, I get overwhelmed with all the ideas that I want to do. So it kind of gets me stuck. So one thing that's helped me out is just writing things down, putting things that I need to accomplish in my notes section on my iPad. That way I can slowly mark off my list. Even if it's only getting one thing done a day, At least I'm slowly working towards my goals. But if you're just stuck and not doing anything and just scrolling on Instagram, then you won't get any of your goals accomplished. And one thing I learned from stepping back and not being in chasing mode is just because you're doing more doesn't mean you're growing. Sometimes you have to do less in order to get clarity so that you can do more, so that you can be more aligned with your highest self. So on this channel, I'm going to be showing you how to scale your beauty business, whether that's creating digital products, setting up the foundation for your beauty business, and not just treating it as a hustle. I've talked to plenty of other beauty professions, and I know some of them are scared to register your business the right way legally because you don't want to pay taxes. But let me tell you, when you have your business set up, your foundation set up, that's going to grow you so much more than treating your business as a hustle. So we'll get more into that sometime down the line in one of my other videos. How to balance your business and your personal life so that you can always show up equally in both. A lot of us want to create our own businesses because we want to create more income so that we can support our families, so that we can give our kids whatever we want, so we don't have to check the tags whenever we're shopping. But when you're constantly chasing the dollar, working 24/7 in your business, you won't have time to enjoy the things that you wanted to enjoy, the reason why you created your business. So you won't have time to spend time with your kids. You're going to be putting them off, putting your self-care off. No, I'm guilty of it. It's been times like I've been in grind mode so hard that I'm not even moving slowly. I'm always rushing to wash my face. I'm walking really fast. And one thing I've been practicing is slowing the fuck down. Even with my talking, I can really talk really fast and just keep talking, but I notice if I just keep talking really fast. But a lot of my patients, they be like, slow down. I can't understand you. And I think because I feel like I'm going to miss something. I'm going to miss my thought or something I want to say. But honestly, it's quite actually the opposite. So make sure you hit subscribe and you follow this journey, especially if you are ready to take your life, your beauty business to the next level. I'm going to be giving you all of my gems. I won't be gatekeeping anything. And honestly, I'm going to show up on Instagram, but I'm not going to be putting my all into Instagram like I used to. This is going to be a place where it's going to be a girl boss community. So if there's anything maybe you're having trouble with or any topic that you want me to touch on, whether it's trying to build clientele or finding a location to do services or how to create a digital product. Maybe you want to create it, but you have no idea where to start. You don't have any idea what topic or what type of digital product to create, how to edit your videos, just everything, how to stay grounded, mindset. I don't care what strategy you got. If your mindset ain't on point, if you aren't intentionally telling yourself every day, I'm successful, everything is working out for me, I can accomplish anything. If she can do it, I can do it. If you don't have a good mindset, I don't care how good your strategy is, how good your skills are, you won't be successful, period. So yes, make sure you follow and you subscribe. Let me know what type of topics you want me to touch on this channel, and I will see you next time.